Dear students, I'm your physics teacher. Today we are starting a unit 6 assignments. So the assignment 6.1 is during a tug of war, a team A pulls on team B by applying a force of 1100 Newton to the rope between them. The rope remains parallel to the ground. How much work done the team A do if they pull team B towards them a distance of 2.0 meter? So what is given in a assignment that a given data is force equal to 1100 Newton and distance is given us that are 2.0 meter and required is work. They are asking that what is our work, how much work they have done. So the formula is W equals to F into S. So simply we are going to put the value of F and S in the formula. When we are applying putting the value that F equals to 1100 Newton, which is given to us, and the S is the distance is given that 2.0 meter, and we are multiplying 1100 to a 2.0, so the answer is 2200 joule. Now we are converting a 2200 into a scientific notation, that is a 2.2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3 joule. We are putting a point here. After that there is a 3 digits, so they are converted into a 10 power 3 joule. So what will be the result? The work equals to 2.2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3 joule. This is the assignment 6.1 which we have done. Now the assignment 6.2 is that a bullet of a mass 30 grams. This is given the mass of the bullet travel at the speed of 400 meter per second. This is the speed is given to us. They have asking that calculate its kinetic energy. We are going to calculate the kinetic energy. The given data is mass equals to 30 gram. First we convert a gram into a kilogram. For the conversion the gram into a kilogram, we are going to divide on a 1000. So 30 is divided by 1000 and the answer comes a 0.03 kilograms. And speed is given as that a 400 meter per second. Required data. Now the required data is kinetic energy, Ke we are going to be find. The formula which is given to us, that is a kinetic energy equals to half mv square. So what we do that putting the value in the formula, that 1 by 2, and the m value is given as that a 0.03 kg, and the velocity speed is given that a 400 meter per second square. Now we are going to solve the first square, that is when we solve the square of 400, the answer is given 1,60,000. So we are going to multiply it 0.03 and the answer comes 4,800. So we are going to divide a 4,800 onto 2. When we are going to divide it, the answers comes 2400 joules. So the kinetic energy comes that K equals to 400 joules. So we have done calculate a kinetic energy. Now we are going to do assignment number 3. The assignment number 3 is an object of a mass 10 kg is lifted vertically through a height of 5 meter at constant speed. What is the gravitational potential energy gained by the object? Now what is given to us, that a mass m equals to 10 kg and the height is also given 5 meter. They are asking that gravitational potential energy you are going to be account. We know that the acceleration due to the gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. So the formula of the gravitational potential energy is mg into h. What we do that putting the value in the formula, that m is given to us that 10 kilogram, and we know that the gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square, and the value is of h is given to us 5 meter. We are going to multiply 10 into 9.8 into 5. So first we are going to multiply 10 into 9.8, the answer comes 98, and we are going to multiply with the 5, that answer comes 490. So the gravitational potential energy comes 490 joules. So we have calculated the gravitational potential energy. Now we are doing assignment 6.5. Now the assignment of a 6.4 is excluded. So we are going to do the assignment 6.5. The question is, an electrical heater is heated at 250 watt. What is the power? Calculate the quantity of heat generated in 10 minutes. So what that a quantity of heat generated? They are told us that it's a work by a heat done. So what is given to you, that a power is 250 watt and the time is given to a 10 minutes. Minutes is not a standard unit, so we are going to convert into a standard unit, that the standard unit is a second. So 10 is going to be multiplied by a 60. The answers comes as 600 seconds. So the time converted in the standard unit, that is a seconds, and it comes as 600 seconds. Now we have required the work. So there is the work of the heat. So we are, heat is the energy. So we are write a symbol is EH. H is the heat and E is the energy, because the heat generated, we are finding a heat. So I convert the W with a E. The formula is a P equals to W and the W equals to E. So the formula converted into a P equals to E by T. According to that a formula, we have shifted a P equals to E by T. So we are multiplying a P equals to E by T, multiply both sides by T. So T is going to be a cancel and formula comes a E equals to P into T. So here we have write a E equals to P into T. Now solution is putting the value. We are going to put the value direct in the formula, and the P is given to 250 watts and the time is 600 seconds. We are multiplying a 250 with a 600 and the answers becomes a 1,50,000 joule. So the 1000 is converted into a kilos. So the answers, which one is left? 150 is left. 150 and this 1000 is converted into a kilo. So the answers of our heat generated, that EH equals to 150 kg, kilojoule. So the result becomes a work equals to KH equals to 150 kilojoules. Today we have done the assignments of unit 6. So this one is the last assignment which we have done. Have you understand? I hope you have understand.